Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I'm Ilham Laili. I will present about this proposal. The title is Analysis of Teaching Strategies Based on the Student Learning Style in English Learning Process at SMPN 2 Kedung Adem. For the first is background study. The first, the importance of English learning, and the second, the importance of teaching strategies based on student learning style in English learning process. I have two research questions. The first is how the teacher formulates teaching strategies based on the student learning style in English learning process at SMPN 2 Kedung Adem. And the second is how the teacher implement teaching strategies based on the student learning style in English learning process at SMPN 2 Kedung Adem. The next is objective of study. The first is to find out how the teacher formulates teaching strategies based on the student learning style in English learning process at SMPN 2 Kedung Adem. And the second is to find out how the teacher implements teaching strategies based on the student learning style in English learning process at SMPN 2 Kedung Adem. The next is significance of the study. There are three significance of the study. The first is for the institution or teacher, and the second for the student, and the third for the future research. Next is scope and limitation. The scope of this research is to analyze teaching strategies based on student learning style in English learning process, and the limitation are English teachers and student grade at the SMPN 2 Kedung Adem. Definition of KDRM. The first definition is English learning process. English learning process is implement an activity plan to present learning materials regularly. And the second definition of teaching strategies. Teaching strategies is a plan, method, or series of activities designed to achieve a particular goal of learning. And the third is learning style. Learning style refers to any individual's preferred way of going about learning. The next is review of previous study. There are three previous study. The first by Septa Lestari Saragi, and the second by Asa Ahmadi, and the third by Mas Darusdi Simatupang. Research method. The first is research design. In this research, the researchers conduct a qualitative approach and use descriptive qualitative method. And the second, subject and research setting. The research subjects are teacher English and students in 8th grade at SMPN 2 Kedung Adem. Data and sort of data. The first, the data need to be collected are the how do the teacher formulate teaching strategies based on the student learning style in English learning process, and sort of this data come to the English teacher to interview accumulate the data about the formulate teaching strategies based on the learning style. And the second, from result of implement teaching strategies based on the student learning style in English learning process. And there are two sorts of this data. The first is delivering questionnaire for the student to analyzing the student learning style, and the second, observation to answer the implementation strategies based on the student learning style in English learning process at SMPN 2 Kedung Adem. The next is research instrument. There are four research instruments. The first is interview quizline, and the second is questionnaire sheet, and the third is field note observation, and the fourth is documentation checklist. And the last is data analysis. After obtaining data from some instrument used in this research, the researcher directly collects and analyzes the data in attempt to get the answers from the research question. Okay guys, thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.